Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this hexagon peacock. Okay, so we have our peacock here. Okay, so and this is our rose. I have a tutorial for this as well, and yeah, so you can make like this, and then you can add that, you can do a lot of things. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, and I will put the full tutorial here as well, but I do have a tutorial for this and with a complete with our picot in this tutorial. Okay, so let's get started, guys. To start with, guys, I will be using my 3.5mm hook and my 8-ply crochet or acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we are going to make our slip knot, and we are going to make a chain of 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we are going to slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, so just a slip stitch, and then from here, okay, chain 1, and we are going to single crochet, okay, 12 times. Okay, so oops, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, then we are going to slip stitch, okay, into the first stitch, and then from here we are going to chain 1, okay, and then we're going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so first 2 in the same stitch, in the next stitch 1 and 2, and the next 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so continue that, guys. Okay, putting 2 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll come back and show you what to do, guys. So I got to my end and I just slip stitch. So from now we are going to chain 3, okay, and working 3 double crochet in the same stitch. That's 2 and 3. And chain 4, so 1 2 3 4, and then we skip 1 2 3, and in the 4th we're going to make our 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so chain 4 and skip 1 2 3, and in the fourth 2 3, in the fourth we're going to make our 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and continue that, guys. Continue doing that, and I'll come back and meet you up when I got here. Okay guys, so I just got into my end. I just slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to fasten it off, and we'll wave in this later. Okay, and then now we have, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now we are going to change our yarn. Okay, so just make a slip knot. Okay guys, so we are just going to insert into the first on top of the first double crochet. So whenever you would like, you can start it off. Okay, so then after that we're going to chain 3, and from here what we're going to do is double crochet on top of double crochet. Okay, but we're going to work half and we're leaving it. Okay, so in yarn over, insert into the next, and then pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 and leave it. So we have 3, and then we're going to work another one. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and we have 4 loops in our hook, and then we're going to pull through all 4 loops. Okay, then we're going to chain 5 3 4 5, and we are going to single crochet into the chain 4 space, and we are going to chain 5 and do the one that we've done here. Okay, so in the first we're going to make a cluster 1, and the second pull through 2, and the third pull through 2, and in the fourth and pull through 2, and we have 5 loops. One, two, three, 4. Yes, 1 2 3 4, and pull through all the loops. Okay, and continue, chain 5 and single crochet, chain 5, and we are going to do the cluster again. Okay, so double crochet cluster. Okay, so 4 2 3 and 4. Okay, and pull through all 4, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, and we are going to do the cluster again. Okay, 4 double crochet cluster, the second one pull through 2, the third one insert, pull through 2, and the last one and pull through 2. Okay, so then pull through all the loops and chain 5, then single crochet, chain 5, and we will be doing the same. Okay, so after this, okay, so continue that, guys, and after this we are going to cut it off and we are going to go change our color. Guys, so from here we are going to change our color. Okay, and I'm going to change my color into white, make a slip knot, and into where we slip stitch. Okay, or you can start wherever you want. Okay, insert our hook, okay, and then we're going to chain 3. Okay, and we are going to slip stitch into the first chain that we made. Okay, and from here we are going to single crochet, and then in this 5 chain space we are going to put 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this chain 1 space we're going to put 1 single crochet, and then here 4 single crochet into the space, okay, and into the top single crochet, chain 3, okay, and single crochet, slip stitch, and then single crochet into the chains, 4 single crochet, and into one single crochet, 1 single crochet, and into the space 4 single crochet, two, 3, 4, and then on the top single crochet, chain 3, and then slip stitch, and single crochet, and then single crochet on the top of single crochet, and into the space single crochet, and single crochet in the top. Okay, so as you can see, this is our picot. Okay, so we are going to continue this, so chain 3 and slip stitch, and then single crochet, and on top of single crochet we're going to make a single crochet and 4 single crochet in the space, 1 2 3 4, and then single crochet and chain 3 and slip stitch, and then single crochet until we finish the row. And then single crochet. Okay, so we are only going we are only making our picot on top, 1 2 3 4, on top of the petals. Okay, so single crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch, and then single crochet, and 1 2 3 4, then single crochet here, and we are into our last space, 3 and 4, and then we are going to slip stitch. Okay, and we are going to fasten off. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we can do a lot, okay, doing this. So thank you very much, guys. So this is our picot hexagon picot. So thank you very much with our rose petals. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.